million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Mslynn Hair. Y'all notice how we do human hair on this channel. We will work with a company 2 or 3 times to make sure the hair is not trash. If it isn't, we'll add it to the routine. If it is trash, I'm gonna tell you it's trash. They get pissed. We never hear from them again. Mslynn is not one of those companies. We love them and we have worked with them for a long time. First, let me go ahead and say they have upgraded their packaging. I like the sleekness of this black hard box, okay? Because they used to be a little pink little sack. So I like the new packaging, okay? It says Mslynn, me beauty, me confidence. Hard box, okay? On the inside, oh, I see 2 little bags. Okay, so this one is the wig. In this little smaller bag, they sent us a big wide comb. Oh, some fake nails. And y'all know I'm the press-on queen normally. So that is new, and I can appreciate that. Some eyelashes that are actually very, very pretty. Like these are ones that I would actually wear too. Okay. And an edge band with their name on it. So off top, Mslynn, way to upgrade the little goodie bag. Oh, and this little sack. I don't know what's in this. Let's see. Okay, it's a little leather pouch with all these makeup brushes in it. Okay, Mslynn, they upgraded their packaging and that little bag. Normally, you know, it's just some light-skinned stocking caps in there. That's it. So that's a positive. All right, let's look at this wig. Oh, they did give us stocking caps too. All right, and something else in here. Hold on. What's that? Oh, the little elastic. You want to sew elastic in your wig? Okay, Mslynn. I'm just reading off of here, but if you look in that description box, you will see all the details on this wig. It is 12 inches. It is curly, 150 density. That's a string that was on me. 150 density. You can't go wrong with that, can you? Y'all, I think it's a full cap wig. I just filmed a full cap wig and I ended up really liking it. Yeah, I think it is. It is. All right, let's see if I like this one too. The cap construction, you get a comb in the back and some adjustable straps. And then in the front, you get 2 combs. The last one I did didn't have any combs. This one has 2 combs, one to the right, one to the left. And they put the elastic band in here so it'll lay flush to your head. It's a little curly little black bob. This is essential for a throw on and go. This is gonna be your human hair version of throw on and go. All right, let me plop this on my head and then, you know, I'm gonna fast forward through, you know, trying to style it and stuff, but let's just talk through that part. Okay, so it fits really comfortably on my head. I think we can make this work, y'all. I really do, but y'all know I run my mouth because we already 3 minutes into this and I ain't really done nothing. So let me play around with this. You might see me wet it with a little bit of water and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. at first, but this turned out to be really, really cute. I think that this is just like that other one, like full cap curly bang wig that I did. I think this is a good throw on and go option after you know, fit it to how you like it. So it was cute with all the bangs down in my face like that, but I just took a bobby pin and pinned some to the side, and that works. Or if we take the bobby pin out, like I said, if you just play with it to get it to fit you, I think that this is a great option, especially at that price point, right? You could even, look, pull some up, some have down. That would be cute. Give you like the messy look 80s look. Let me see. Hold on, I need a rubber band. Girl, shut up. I even think that's cute, huh? Yeah, so in the comments, let me know, would you wear full cap? Because I got a couple of companies that sent them to me because I think that they're cute. And they're affordable. Let me know if you would wear these full cap human hair units, because I think that for, like I said, the price point and what you can do with them, I think that they are great. Like I always say, you might not even be into wigs though. Maybe it is your cousin Lynn. This is Mslynn hair. Maybe she's looking for something she don't want to spend a whole lot of money. This is going to be right up her alley. Maybe it's your cousin Leroy. I don't know. Whichever one. Send them our way. And me and Mslynn hair will get them right. Y'all, I really do think this is affordable, nice, holiday sleigh hair. I definitely recommend this one, y'all. Look in the description box. You'll see a direct link to it, all the details and all of that. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.